these are our shipping tables. I wanted to show them to you. Maybe you guys can get some ideas. So we have our paper roll coming off the side. Then we have these individual bins. So we use like 3 standard, like smaller shipping boxes. So those will get stacked up in there. Then we have our shrink wrap. It's like a 5-inch shrink wrap, and our tape coming out of feeders that feed in from the back. So it holds like 5 rolls and I think 7 rolls of tape. Over here we have our sticker sheets. So these are like our JCR sticker sheets, Victory sticker sheets. Then here they can use like their freight label sleeves, and then supplies go in here. So staples or excess stickers. We have this little thing under here where the stickers actually feed through. So like their heavy sticker and their like hardware enclosed or whatever stickers you put on your boxes. Then you have all this grid for more things, more tooling, holders. So on the side here we have like touch-up paint for our powder coating. These are used for markers or Sharpies or tools. You can hook your tape measure on here. Then this is a holder for, you know, like a hammer or something. On the back side, we have a padded mailer holder, and then more grid space so if you wanted to add more stuff on. This is Ben's table. I'll give you an example of, he's kind of been using it for a couple of weeks now. And this mailer's there. And yeah. Anyways, hopefully you guys can take some ideas from this or find something of use.